Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here in Target looking at all of their dollar items in the dollar section. So they have a lot. They have these right here, which are really nice. You can use these year round actually. $5 for those. They have the pumpkins here, I see in white and the orange. These are $3. They have the little cute gnomes right here for $3 with the green and the orange hats. Really cute. They have a lot of kitchen towels out for $5. You get 2 of those. Let's see here. They have these right here, which are very nice with the leather straps. Let's see. This is a lantern for $5. Really cute. They also have this color here as well. I will get this color right here. I'll actually get both colors. We've seen these before, Home Sweet Home. And they have one that says Hello Fall. I think they're different on the back. No, it's just the white back, but these are going for $5 as well. And it looks like someone showed us what the actual lantern looks like with the leather strap. They put some picks in, which is very cute. I'm loving the color picks. They have a lot of the different fall candles. Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. They have some citronella candles. Hey There Pumpkin. Let's see what one smells like. Let's see, Hello Fall. This one smells really good. And these are all going for $3, guys. This one right here is a Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. Oh, that smells really good. So they have a lot of nice candles out. A lot of nice picks. All of the picks are $1. They have some of these ones here, if you guys can see those. I see some ones with the berries. And they have these ones right here. And a lot of these right here. They have some acorns. They have these right here. All of these are $3 as well. All right, so on this end cap right here, they have some pumpkins here, some fabric pumpkins in orange. I see turquoise. They have some gourds here. These are all $1. They come in different colors. More pumpkins in the bags. Here's some more gourds, some more pumpkins. All of these little items right here are $3. They have these right here. And they come in different colors as well. These are all going for $1 as well. Different colors. They have larger ones as well for $3. And here they are right here. All of these right here. They also have some bigger ones down here for $3. So they're all pretty much all the same price. They just have different ones here. They have different ones. Here's some pumpkins down here. These are $5. They have them in green. It's tannish color. They have this one right here. Here's some apple baskets right here. These are going for, I think they're $5. Those are really nice. And they have some pillows down here as well. Welcome to our patch. These are $5 as well. Those are really cute. Let's see what the other one says. Oh, it's just a plain one. But I'm loving these pumpkins right here. These are really nice. All right, guys, so as you can see, they have a lot of these little small props right here. Fresh hot cider. They have apple leaves. I think I've shown you these before, but it looks like they've added new ones. Gather. They have some here. These ones. These are really cute, guys. They have the ones like this. Homemade apple cider. Welcome to our patch. And all of these are going for $1. So you really have to just like go inside and, you know, pick the ones you want out. But they are very nice. Look at this. Hello Fall. Apple cider. Really nice. Here's some one that says Hello Pumpkin with the little beads. They have some of the little gnomes right here. Pick your own pumpkin. This one right here says Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed. So just a lot of little props they have. Here are some little house signs right here. Gather together. Hello Fall. And these are all going for $3 here. Let's see. Here's one that says Home Sweet Home. Gather. And let's see. I see the Hello Fall one. Those are the only 3 that I see. They have some fall pillows down here. Let's see. These are $5. This is what they look like. Let's see what else they have. Here's a pillow right here. It says Hello Fall, $5. And they have this pretty color one right here. Really nice. This one is $5 as well. And we've seen the signs right here. They have these for $5 as well. Nice. All right, so they have all of the different colored throw blankets. They have the green, black, and white. They have the black and white. All of these are $5. Here's some more pillows. Welcome to our patch. These are $5. They have someone in the green and white. And let's see, this one right here is a green polka dotted one. And I didn't see these right here. How cute are these? I'm going to move this back. So they have the little squirrel. And you can actually put like a little flower or something on the inside. This is $3. They have the little apples here. $1. Some more of the little props right here. I'm going to turn around over here and see if we can find anything. So they have a lot of items over here. So they have the little ceramic homes. These are $3. They have the larger ones here as well. They have the turkeys in gold. They have the cameras. And they have the bookmarks here. And these are all $3. Let's see what these are. Here is a Tassel Decor. This is what it looks like with the pumpkin. Let's see what this one is. This is what this one looks like. And they also have this one right here as well, the little hanging kit. And these are all $3 as well. So it looks like they have some DIY welcome signs down here. You can paint your own welcome sign. These are all $5. Let's see if they have any more. Yeah, they all say welcome down here at the bottom. Here's some more of those tassel decors. They have these right here. These are $3. Let's see. Just frame base where you can put like maybe a picture on the inside or whatever you want to use these for. They have some coaster, ceramic coasters. They also have some that's shaped as pumpkins. Look at those. You get 3 of these for $3. Let's see if they have any more. They have these spice jars up here. You get 2 of these for $3. They also have the larger ones here as well. The little olive, the oil, and the vinegar bottles. And let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. We've seen these before. We've seen these. These right here. Very nice. All right, so on this end cap right here, they started putting out some of their fall candles. They have vanilla pumpkin. These are $12. They have harvest. Look at these, shaped as mushrooms with the little top, the wooden top. This says harvest apple and leaves. This one right here, not sure the scent of this one. Let's see, it doesn't give a scent. This one right here is autumn amber and pumpkin. I'm loving the containers. Let's see, this one right here in black. This is a green oak and moss. And these are all made by Threshold. These are all $12. Here's one right here, brown sugar and chestnut. They have some larger ones here as well, green oak and moss. Oh, this one smells really good, guys. But I would love this container right here. Let's see, green oak and moss. Here's a harvest apple and leaves. Yeah, I'm not sure what the price of those are. And here is a autumn amber and pumpkin. I bet you that one smells amazing also. And this is a scent of that. The smaller ones are $6. All right, so I always like to come back over here in the coffee section of Target to see if they have my favorite coffee here. So it looks like they brought back my favorite coffee, the hot buttery rum. As of right now, it's $9.99. I'm pretty sure that'll be marked down pretty soon. They have spiced apple cider, caramel apple, pumpkin spice. And they have the caramel macchiatos. They have the salted caramel. Let's see, so you get 16 cups. Okay, so all of these are 16 cups. They have mocha marshmallow, butterscotch. Let's see what else they have. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to have to come back for the hot buttery rum. I'm going to have to come back for that. Let's see what Starbucks has out. They have pumpkin spice. This is Green Mountain pumpkin spice. Let's see what else they have. Starbucks has out their fall blend coffee. You get 22 pods for $18.99. Let's see. Cinnabon has a caramel pecan out. $15.69. Have you guys ever tried the Pete's coffees? I heard that they were really good. I've never tried them before. They're not in this area. I mean, as far as the stores, but I think they're based out of California. But I heard that they have some good coffee. Let's see. Green Mountain has pumpkin spice cinnamon sugar cookie, $15.99. They have the caramel vanilla cream, hazelnut. So yes, I'm definitely going to have to come back for my coffee, my favorite coffee, which is made by Good Gather, and it is called the hot buttery rum. And if you had like a nice tasting like a cream to go with it, that would be amazing. But this is really nice, and it's a light roast. It's not a dark roast, it's light. All right, guys, so on this end cap right here, I just passed by. I had to come back by because I saw these candles. How cute are those? This is a pumpkin wood that smells really good. These are all $15. Look at the packaging on this one. This is a pumpkin spice. Smells amazing. Pumpkin spice. Here's one with the leather sleeve. This is a pumpkin spice as well. Wooden wick soy wax blend candles. This is an apple cider here with the leather casing. This one is a vanilla pumpkin. But look how pretty they are, guys. And they have different ones, and they smell amazing. Look at those. This one right here is a leather and embers. Very pretty. And I'm loving the green one down here, the apple cider. And that one down there is a mulled plum cider. Let me let you guys see the actual pumpkin. Aren't those cute? And oh my god, this smells amazing. It's the mulled plum cider. It has a wooden wick soy wax blend candle. But these smell amazing, guys, and they're $15. I know that's kind of expensive, but trust me, they will be marked down, so you can always come back. I'm all about saving my coins this year because everything is so expensive now. But you can always shop around, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm having a sort of a movie night on Thursday night. Wow. And knowing I have to get up and go to work in the morning, but I bought a 6-pack of Modelo. And also I had to pick up some Tom's, which is my favorite toothpaste. And picking up some TheraBreath. This right here is amazing. If you're wanting your teeth to be really white, you have to use it for a while, but fresh breath, whitening, this is the best mouthwash. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. This particular Target doesn't have a lot of fall items in, but the little ones that I did see, the candles especially, and the dollar section was really had a lot of items. You know, normally those items are already out of stock, but they really had some nice items in the dollar section. But I'm gonna get out of here again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Sorry this video is so choppy. I'm walking